Hello, and welcome back to our channel where we provide you with tips and strategies to improve your well-being. In today's video, we'll be discussing mindfulness for beginners. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. It's a powerful tool for reducing stress, increasing focus, and improving overall well-being. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of mindfulness and practical techniques to incorporate it into your daily routine. To begin, let's discuss what mindfulness is and why it's important. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. It's about paying attention to your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings, and learning to respond to them in a non-reactive way. Mindfulness has been shown to reduce stress, increase focus, and improve overall well-being. One of the most effective techniques for practicing mindfulness is through meditation. Meditation is the practice of focusing your attention on a specific object, thought, or activity. It can be as simple as focusing on your breath or a specific word or phrase. Meditation can be done anywhere and at any time, making it an accessible technique for practicing mindfulness. Another technique for practicing mindfulness is through mindful breathing. Mindful breathing involves paying attention to your breath and focusing on the sensations in your body as you inhale and exhale. It's a simple yet powerful way to bring yourself back to the present moment and reduce stress. Mindful walking is another technique for practicing mindfulness. It involves focusing on the sensations in your body as you walk and being fully present in the moment. Mindful walking can be done anywhere, whether it's around your neighborhood or in a local park. In addition to meditation, mindful breathing, and mindful walking, there are many other techniques for practicing mindfulness. Mindful eating, mindful listening, and body scan meditation are just a few examples. The key is to find the techniques that work best for you and incorporate them into your daily routine. When practicing mindfulness, it's important to approach it with a non-judgmental attitude. Mindfulness is not about being perfect or achieving a specific outcome. It's about being present in the moment and accepting whatever thoughts or emotions arise without judgment. It's also important to practice mindfulness regularly. Like any skill, mindfulness takes practice to master. It's essential to set aside time each day to practice mindfulness techniques and incorporate them into your daily routine. Another important aspect of practicing mindfulness is setting intentions. Setting intentions involves identifying the purpose behind your mindfulness practice. Whether it's reducing stress, increasing focus, or improving overall well-being, setting intentions can help you stay motivated and committed to your mindfulness practice. Mindfulness can also be practiced through journaling. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and self-discovery. It can help you identify patterns in your thoughts and emotions and gain a better understanding of yourself. One of the most significant benefits of practicing mindfulness is reducing stress. Mindfulness has been shown to reduce the body's stress response and increase resilience to stress. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can reduce the impact of stress on your body and mind. Another benefit of practicing mindfulness is increasing focus and productivity. Mindfulness has been shown to improve cognitive function and increase focus and attention. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can improve your ability to stay focused and productive throughout the day. In addition to reducing stress and increasing focus, mindfulness has been shown to improve overall well-being. Mindfulness can help you connect with yourself and others, increase self-awareness and empathy, and improve relationships. It can also help you cultivate a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the present moment. Now that we've discussed the benefits of mindfulness and practical techniques for incorporating it into your daily routine, it's time to take action. Start by choosing one technique that resonates with you and practicing it for a few minutes each day. As you become more comfortable, you can add additional techniques or increase the amount of time you spend practicing. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Be patient with yourself and approach your practice with a non-judgmental attitude. Focus on the process, not the outcome, and enjoy the benefits of increased well-being, reduced stress, and improved focus. Thank you for watching this video on mindfulness for beginners. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember, mindfulness is a powerful tool for reducing stress, increasing focus, and improving overall well-being. By incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine, you can experience the benefits of this practice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to receive notifications for our future videos. We look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll discuss more tips and strategies for improving your well-being.